Okay, so in today's quick guide, what I'm going to show is how to remove the kit lens that come mounted on the Sony ZV-E10 and then to replace that with the Sigma lens. Okay, so to do that, make sure that the LCD screen, because the ZV-E10, the LCD screen comes facing up, so make sure that you flip it over and it's facing down because your thumb is going to be here. And then see this button here, this small button here. What you're going to do is push it down, and then your thumb here, and then hold the kit lens and twist the kit lens anti-clockwise. Then it will come out. All right. Okay. So you place it down. Remove the lens cover from the Sigma lens. Make sure you put that one over the kit lens. And then here on the body, you can see there's some pin out here. And then here on the lens, you also have the pin out here, right? And then here on the body, there's a cutout here, close to the pin out. And on the lens, you have the same cutout there, right? So what you're going to do is that you make sure that the cutout matches what is on the body. If it does match, it will just slot in just like that. Again, make sure that the pinout on the body and the pinout on the lens, they match close. And then the cutout match, or the cutout on the lens match with the cutout on the body, very close. And then what will happen is, if that is correct, it will just fall into place, just like that. And then you hold, you don't need to push the button down, just hold the lens, and now you are going to twist it clockwise to lock it in place. You hear the click, that means it is locked in place and everything is good to go. To release it, again, push down this button, push it down, hold it down, twist the lens anti-clockwise. Put it back, make sure that the cutout match the cutout on the lens, fall into place, twist clockwise to lock it in place. That's how you change the lens on the Sony ZV-E10. Hope you find this quick guide useful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks.